I'ma play something on the picture. Tell me which part you gotta come on reach.
I mean, I say from here the voice, I don't know King Breezy, the Rich Badness boss, I represent with Just Vibes Radio. Fully Rich Badness.
You see, before me jump in your review, yeah, let me just say this. Hey, girl Stalk Ashley. You come like a you put the S in a sexy and B in a beauty. A girl just so sit down pan her so. No man, my viewers subscribers. Yo, me not lie. A long time me wait for your music video and I swear to God and see it ya. Make us see what I go on for. Now, just some shit in the review now. Watch ya. The music video remind me of one of them top kingpin show there, where you have the boss of a sexy piece of blowout data there, see, where every man want. But guess what? A one man she want, and one of them bad boy there. Yeah man, at the show there, me can't think of a name right now, but you see me watch a music video, and that come to mind. My viewers, subscribers. So first, me just say yo, me rate how them plot a music video. Me nah go lie and boy yo, Stalk Ashley, girl can clean you man. No, me love. Me know a whole lot of people underestimate your song when it just drop. But don't underestimate a song because I want tough piece of song. I swear, I mean a whole lot of people still don't know what incognito mean, you know. A whole lot of people, them probably think I want character coming out of a movie, but incognito are basically, let me Jamaicanize it. It's basically somewhere you can't find. Like, we got somewhere where you can't find, or if you a deal, it's just undercover, discreet. Them a talk about relationship, new relationship, because Stalk now look nobody for love. She just want a piece and nobody not for know. So basically, incognito, them a deal and nobody not know. It thing so discreet, even the FBI cannot detect what really are going. So basically, that it mean, yeah.
From my walking, little bit always after my birthday brown skin. Bling bling bang.
So when I watch a music video, I wonder if it's a movie I watch now, come and say, oh, bomba dog, mad ras, I'm the boss now. And Alkaline, it come like it's a drugs dealing thing where them a negotiate. You see me, like dog, I see, you know, say last time I give a product, you see me, but guess what now? The boss have a sexy piece of girl can clean, That's a Stalk Ashley. But watch you know, Alkaline want to be, but pre you know, the man them with their own mad ras, I say, watch you know. I boss that and you can't get shit. But Alkaline himself knows say him have the powers and the image, so I trouble.
I make it so this is what you like. Me like you like me so. They go let that so and go.
Hey girl Stalk Ashley. The girl just so sit down pan her so. No man.
Say me and you come for me. Tell me play something on the picture. Tell me which part you gotta come on reach.
You wanna make Stalk Ashley know say you wanna my place out of picture cause you see my catty, she love fire. So watch you know, we can go somewhere else, we meet her anywhere. No matter of fact, me know somewhere where we can go. A matter of fact too, not back of people not dead so you don't have to worry about your father when I want me and your link or nobody. So watch you know, we can do road this so nobody not know. Can't well tilt up, be your things, trouble.
Anyway, I get up for myself. When I put the band alone, my word about nobody else. Girl, I'm a mess.
Yo, the man has see a watcher. A matter of fact, you see anyone me catch up for myself, I trouble it up and the lumber me go put you. Yo. You remember the start of the video me I say yo, Stalk skin clean and the girl look good? Yeah. Alkaline I say yo, John no, me a strip out me and them you sexy. Would I put peace by you anyway. Yo, boy, Alkaline you see you know.
I tell myself to strip you, and you say with the bed, but know you want the man for off, it looks to bring you to the shot.
Yeah man, the man I make sure you know what you know. Me living here all night. A matter of fact, me just want a piece. Just want a piece. Let's go somewhere far from your father and your people because you don't know the badness go. And me strap you the whole night.
Up in your all night. Hope me not get clean a trouble, come on, mash it up.
Nah lie again, no more viewers, subscribers. Stalk Ashley, you look good. Me nah lie. Mama can clean. I hope she not get me no problem because YouTube no likes when they be them so sexy and then we strike the video. So, me a pray say she not get me no problem. But Stalk, me nah lie. You clean more. You make the video come out perfect. Me want a word for describe it, but me don't know which word for use because me not fully bright. We fully does suck them out. They don't know the badness go. The viewers, subscribers, the video don't have much scenery in it. It don't have much scene night, but guess what now? The video on point and it gets straight to the point. You get me?
Look, man, I feel so conscious like the girl like
viewer subscribers, I don't want to take the man thing for some poppy show thing because I have some youth out there. As what the dog this saying we up. A politics. Them now go tell you know. Say dog got the illest you know. For real. I watch you know. Who not see nothing yet. Wait until Total Murder music video drop. Then you not go say yo, you know see a youth are really tough. I mean now ask Jesus this. That video here half a change. Within 24 hours of me dropping this review here for the music video. Cause Alkaline alone do it. And we not talk off on a bias basis because this channel is not a bias channel. We talk facts. You see me? Yeah man, I see him with Saudi. We keep it legit.
Property me refuge jumping up me, I go in there.
I tell you, me like the plot of this music video here. The music video well put together, me not gonna lie. Me like the story. Everything. It's like you can see the build-up story. Remember I'm telling you at the start of the video, say yo, Madras, him are the boss. Like, him Alkaline come to negotiate with them, exchange. You know what the whole kingpin thing go. You see me? So the boss come to the man, the girl shan. Why? Under the negotiation, I'm gonna say, you know, last time I gave product to Alkaline. Alkaline say, yeah man, alright, cool. So when the boss, like him a going now, you know the dad him a escort the dog out. The dog a see blow out girl there, say yo, what kind of girl is so? The girl can clean so. The girl can clean, the girl can clean, the girl can clean. I'm gonna say himself, you know, say yo, I have to get a girl before me go away. I have to get a girl before me go away. And what you know, it's so ironic that Stalk actually appeared the same thing. You see me? From she see the boss, she love off the boss, so she have to make a move to the boss. You see me?
Man, I really want a body for love. Give me sex till my legs give out and make.
Yo, me nah lie, you see, Stalk Ashley is a female artist so promising. You see me? Me nah go lie. You see, from here the first song she sing, me and say yo, oh you be here sound like, well live sound like Jada Kingdom. No, me that hear a song with her, me and say yo, Bomba, Jada Kingdom sing a song ya. But now long I realize say yo the beat them Stalk Ashley, me say yo, Bombo Cleat, you see a be here, she tough. She have to reach far in her music. I mean like my viewer subscribers, me love off her music with them, me nah go lie, it tough. It sell off, I swear.
Can we keep this private, baby, keep it private. It's my body.
So watch you know. Again, my viewer subscribe before me end this video here. Drop the comment them in the comment section below. How much you grade this music video out of 10. Until next time. Just Vibes Radio. I'm out.